Hello students, my name is Hannah Elgersma, Project Coordinator at CityLAB. So you are working on a CityLAB project. That's exciting. For context, your project exists within a larger network of students, academic and civic leaders, co-creating a better Hamilton for all. You are one of the many students from our partnered institutions, McMaster University, Mohawk College, and Redeemer University, collaborating with city staff on real city projects to build a healthy, sustainable, and vibrant Hamilton. I want to welcome you and thank you for engaging in this meaningful way. Every semester, we have the privilege of hosting a project showcase in our space downtown Hamilton, beside City Hall. This is an opportunity for students, faculty, Hamilton community members, and city officials to come and learn about your projects. Plus, there'll be snacks here, of course. Invite your family and friends and get hyped to tell them about what you've been working on this semester. Now let's talk about how to display your work. There's a lot of flexibility here. First off, you could make a slideshow presentation or a video, and you'll have a Q&A section. Or you could set up a table with your infographic or a printed version of your deliverables. This could be a brochure, a prototype design, a website design on your laptop, a printed report or digital report. There's a lot of flexibility, and people can browse this at their leisure and ask about it in a more conversational way. So get creative. Or you could do both. You could do a slideshow presentation and set up a table. So let us know how we can help. Please make sure you send along anything you want printed for the showcase in advance, at least a week, so we have time to review and get it ready for you in time. Now let's get into the creation of these deliverables. You want these to be helpful summaries of the project and where it is going. Consider how to make them visually appealing, including photos, charts, and graphics. Canva is a great resource, and we have templates you can use. To use the pro features, send it to us and we can download it for you. For printing purposes, please size the infographics posters appropriately for printing, with an inch margin from the edge of the page and the right size, which is 36 by 24 or 24 by 36. Please add your name, your instructor's name, the city staff you're working with, your school's logo, and CityLAB logo for context. Please try not to use the City of Hamilton logo unless you get explicit permission, because this is not officially accepted and funded by City Council yet. It's in an experimental phase. Consider how accessible your deliverables are, especially related to choosing simple fonts, ensuring legible text, and explaining any acronyms you have. For more recommendations and accessibility tips, check out our student resource page. You will find resources, Q&As, submission forms, checklists, and examples from previous student groups. If you are creating a report, consider how to display your findings in a clear, creative, and engaging way. Can you add an executive summary? Clearly explain the next steps for moving the project forward. I also highly suggest you send a draft to your staff partner in advance to ensure you are on the same page with the creation of the report. Finally, I want to encourage you all to consider how to leverage your experience. Your project is displayed on our website for the community and our partners to learn about this great work. This is also a great tool for you, so I encourage you to check it out and let us know if you want anything updated. We will add your final deliverables to the project page so you can keep it as part of your portfolio and share this important work on future applications. Also consider how you can add this experience to your resume or LinkedIn. You may want to connect with your staff on LinkedIn, ask them to be a reference possibly, and ask them if they know of any job opportunities within your interests. Overall, have fun with this semester, and we look forward to seeing you at the project showcase.